Hey you guys, I wanted to come on and quickly show you guys a couple of things that I found at Dollar General. This one I'm really excited about. I found this cute little glass mug with a nail polish bottle on it, and I just think it's so adorable. And then the nail polish top is leopard print. Like, you cannot get no better than that. Let me take down some of this light. Okay, there we go. But isn't that so cute? And it comes with a little pink straw, and it was only, you guys can see, it was only $1.50. Trying to fix this light, you guys. Let's see. Okay, hopefully y'all can see it okay. But isn't that cute? And for $1.50, I mean, you can't beat it. That was like a really good price. So yeah, I grabbed that. And then I also had spotted this. Now I've been to Dollar General 3 days in a row. If you guys watch my blog channel, then you'll know I've been 3 days in a row. I also posted a video of showing you guys some of the cute stuff in Dollar General. But this was the only one that I had found. They didn't have any more, but this was just $5. It's My Beauty Spot nail polish, and I thought the colors were so pretty because I love these kind of colors. Now obviously they're not winter colors. I don't know why they put out a summer type collection right now, but because it's called Island Aloha collection. But I love wearing these type of colors in any type of season, so it's fine by me. But I just thought they were really pretty. And then you're getting 6 of them for $5. You can't beat that. So I had to grab it, and especially with it being the only one. And I thought the packaging was cute with the little polka dots, and it has a little handle. The handle also says My Beauty Spot on it. So I just thought this was so cute, and the colors are really pretty. And then I also found this, I think I showed it in the video. Yeah, I did, in the cute stuff Dollar General video or whatever. So I ended up going back and getting this one, the Stay Classy and Sassy. I think in the video I showed you guys up close the one that said Diva, and it had like a face on it. I started to get that one too, but I love zebra print, so I just thought this would be perfect. So I also picked up this, and it was just $3. It is a cutting board or a serving tray, and it's glass, but I figured it would be nice when I'll be getting a new nail table, and I thought it'd be nice to sit on my nail table and just like sit my polish on, or my nail polish remover, you know, whatever. So I'll have a nice flat sturdy surface, and then something cute on my nail table. So yeah, I had to get that, and for $3 you can't go wrong. I may even get another one for the kitchen as well. And then I did end up getting, I have stuff in it, but I did end up getting that furry storage box, and it's so soft, and I just love the color. It's so pretty. And this is what the handles, you guys can see. This is what the handles look like, and they have gold in it, and I really like it. And it was only $5. I mean, you can't beat that for $5, and it's a nice size. And then too, I might as well show you guys, if you're into jewelry, I found this for $1. You can hang your earrings and your necklaces on it. It has a little hook, and it was just $1. I couldn't believe it, but it's a little mini jewelry hanger. So I picked that up also, because I have tons of necklaces and earrings that I can use. I need like a few more of those, so if I come across some more, I'm going to pick them up. But yeah, I definitely wanted to just really come on here and share this mug with y'all. If y'all go to Dollar General and you see this, pick it up. I mean, $1.50. They also had one with a high heel on it, and I think I do show that in my video. If it's not the video on this channel, then it's on my blog channel, and my blog channel is Life with Nikki Nicole. Make sure you go subscribe. I will leave the link in the comments and in the description box. So go sub to my blog channel. But But yeah, I had to come on and show you guys these couple of items, and I will probably go ahead and swatch these soon as well too to see how they work. Right now I have nail polish on that is a total nail fail. It looks terrible, so maybe when I get ready to redo my nails, I will go ahead and swatch these and let you guys know how they are. And yeah, so yeah, that's it, you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.